In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the workspace and panels in InCopy. First, launch Adobe InCopy. Once it opens, go ahead and open the document you want to work on. Customizing your workspace is most helpful when you can see your real content because it lets you arrange tools around the way you actually write, edit, and review. Let's start by bringing in the tools you need. Head up to the window menu and choose the panels you want to see. If you rely on styles, open the paragraph or character styles panels. If you manage links or assignments, open those as well. Each selection from the window menu makes that panel appear so you can tailor the interface to the task at hand. If your screen gets crowded, remove what you don't need. Right-click a Panels tab on Windows or Control-click on Mac OS and choose Close. You can also deselect the panel directly from the window menu. Don't worry, closing a panel doesn't delete anything. It just hides that tool until you bring it back. Now let's arrange things. To move a single panel, drag it by its tab. To move an entire group of panels that are tabbed together, drag the group by its title bar. Think of a group as a stack of tabs. Moving the title bar moves the whole stack, which is great for keeping related tools together. Decide whether a panel should float or be docked. To float a panel, drag it away from any dock so it stands on its own. Floating panels are perfect for a second monitor or for tools you only need temporarily. To dock a panel, drag it toward the edge of the workspace or next to another panel. When you see a blue drop zone highlight, release the mouse. That blue highlight shows exactly where the panel will snap, above, below, or beside the target area, so you can build custom docks that fit your workflow. Once everything looks just right, save your layout so you can return to it anytime. Go to Window, choose Workspace, then click New Workspace. Give your workspace a clear, memorable name and click OK. This preserves your panel visibility and positions, so you can switch tasks without rebuilding your setup. If things ever get messy, reset your saved layout in seconds. Go to Window, then Workspace, and choose Reset, followed by your workspace name. InCopy will instantly restore the panels to the exact places you saved. That's it. Launch InCopy, open your document, add and remove panels, arrange them by dragging, choose between floating and docked, save the workspace, and reset it whenever you need. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your tools will always be right where you want them.